Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you this 70 years old woman applied this mask to her skin and looked like if she's in her 30s. And this amazing face mask, guys, removes wrinkles and fine lines naturally, and it's super effective. It will get you the best results by using that mask one time. You will notice a great results in your skin. It improves the skin elasticity and removes the wrinkles naturally. The first ingredient we will need is one fresh onion, and after clean the onion like so, we need to shred it. Now my friends, strain it. And we need around 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh onion juice like so. Then add on it 1 teaspoon of rice flour, then add 1 teaspoon of natural honey, and now mix the ingredients very well. Now our magical face mask is ready. Apply it on your skin and leave it to dry out completely. Then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water. And my friends, repeat this 3 times a week to get the best results.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.